Okay, 'no? Alam mo kung bakit parang tahimik tayo ron 'no, kasi parang may kakaiba rito sa inyong reading 'no. Yeah, there's something here that feels like strange to me. Let me see. I상해. There's something strange right in here. Looks like the universe is dropping some kind of a warning right here for you guys with the Emperor in reverse and the Death energy right here, okay? It looks like no kinukuha ni universe ang attention ninyo for this particular reading. Okay? So I think the universe is dropping some kind of warning sa'yo. Feels like a personal reading right here agad-agad, no? Okay, pero itutuloy pa rin natin kasi baka meant to hear talaga ah, ng iba sa inyo, no? Ang reading na to, no? So let's continue. There's a warning right in here. I feel like, yeah, the magician is in reverse. Oh, I just heard devil. Okay. Speaking of the devil, Knight of Wands energy, carrying this. Look at this. Yung hawak niya na wand ay ito. I-explain ko sa inyo yan, no? Okay, the warning has something to do with this. And this is important, okay? Page of Swords, Five of Swords. Yeah. Three of Swords, Five of Cups. Definitely. You're dealing here with the devilish player. Look at that. Bottom of the deck, we have the Four of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Eight of Cups energy. Anong ibig sabihin yan, Miss Yan? Can you please tell me? Yes, of course, sweetheart, no? Malakas kayo sa akin eh, no? At malakas rin kayo kay universe, no? Kasi mukhang marami-rami sa inyo yung hindi pa ito nangyayari, no? So, it looks like this is your ex at tinatag siya bilang double player, no? Ni universe right in here. So, may warning dito sa universe about your devilish ex-player, okay? That the devil is about to come back in your life. Yeah. So it looks like the universe right here wants you to drop some kind of warning. Okay? And I love na very direct yung warning na binibigay dito sa inyo. Has something to do with this Ace of Wands energy, Knight of Wands right in here. This is all about loss. Yan, no? Yun na nakikita natin dito. So before we dive more into this reading right in here, let me just greet everybody first. Okay? Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning is tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if interesado, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga, wala tayong gender, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Puwede rin po na i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will na free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, yun nga mga babes, no? And of course, no, timeless ito, okay? Pwedeng nangyari na sa iba nangyayari na ngayon sa iba. Mangyayari pa lang which is marami-rami yung mangyayari pa lang. This feels like a personal reading right in here, no? So, it looks like this is something here that is about to happen pa lamang, no? So, lesson, yan, no? Okay, meron kayong free will ha, ibig sabihin malaya ninyo kung gusto ninyo i-claim ang mga mensahe or hindi, okay? So, we have here this Emperor in reverse, Death energy in upright. position. So whoever energy is this is the devilish player. And yes, there's something strange, ano? There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Yeah, no, definitely. No, you're right. This is someone here who ghosted you in the past, no? And this person here is, ang Tagalog ng strange, di? Parang nakakapagtaka, no? Yan, no? Ang kanya ritong pagbabalik na maaaring maging palaisipan sa inyo, no? Kung bakit siya bumabalik dito, no? Yun ang nakikita ko ritong first reaction ninyo after a very long na wala ritong komunikasyon nanggaling sa kanya, wala man lang kahit na ni-ha, na text message, call, or tawag or email galing sa kanya, okay? But this is you. You will definitely find it strange, no? Kapagka nagpakita at bumalik itong tao na 'to sa inyo, no? But the universe is not tagging this person as a human, but the universe is tagging this person here as the devil itself. Okay, bakit miss yan? Okay? Kasi ang devil dito ay nakikita ko mga babes, no? Na mawawala ring parang bulayas. I'm hearing that song right now, no? Tiny bubbles in the air makes him feel happy, makes you feel sad, no? See? Makes him feel so happy, 'no, wala tayong gender dito, makes her feel so happy. So, 'no, is like, other term for very, 'no, so parang very happy, 'no. Pero kung ano man yun, ikaw naman, it will make you feel sad, 'no, see? So, nakikita ko rito na para siya ritong mawawala, 'no, alam mo yung tiny bubbles, 'no, para siya ritong bulang mawawala na naman sa buhay ninyo. So, ano nga ba yun, Miss Yan? Well, definitely, this person right here, no, is trying to see if you are still into him, no, kung bibigay ka pa rin ba daw sa kanya. Sinusubukan niya ritong malaman kung bibigay ka pa rin ba sa kanya. So, I do pick up right here, no, that this person, ito yung habol niya sa inyo. So, may chance, mga babes, no, na posibleng merong mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Okay, dahil siya yung mag initiate at yun yung kanya ritong way kasi gusto niya rito with the Page of Swords energy, obserbahan if ikaw, no, ay bibigay pa rin sa kanya. Kumbaga, kung meron pa rin ba siya ritong parang puwang for you, no, no matter what that is, no. But definitely, it's not love, no. This person is not here for your love. This person is definitely not here para doon, no. Hindi. Para dito, no. Nakikita ko dito mga babes na kung sino man 'to, lost desire over your body, no. Gusto niya lang ma-feel yung warmth nun, no, yung hotness nun, no, and then poof, para na naman siya ritong mawawalang parang bula, no, with that tiny bubbles. Wala na bang iba, spirits? Yun talaga, tiny bubbles. Natawa ako dun. Tiny bubbles in the air. Yan, no? Yeah, definitely. Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, no, yun yung gusto niya ritong mapatunayan, okay? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na hindi ito papayag, no, ng wala-wala lang. I think this person here will try to seduce you. Susubukan ka niya ritong akitin, 'no, eh, dahil expert naman siya dun sa nakikita natin dito, 'no. This person here is just tricking you. This person is a trickster with the Magician in reverse. Ang gusto niya lang dito, ang habol niya lang dito, 'no, ay ang makuha lang kayo, 'no, for a night, 'no. Kumbaga parang with benefits lang, without love, you know. So I do pick up right in here that this is a total heartbreaker, Three of Swords energy, and this person will definitely leave you again. Okay, kung i-allow nyo ito, no? iiwan na naman kayo nitong parang basang sisiw or sugatan dito. I don't know why I'm getting that basang sisiw kind of thing. Maybe this person right here is someone who really broke your heart, no, ng bonggang-bongga in the past. Tingnan mo, no, i-de-deny ka nito ulit with the Seven of Wands energy. Ang jupal ng mukha nito 'no, okey. Gusto niya, kung ano yung gusto niya yun lang talaga, eh, 'no. Wala siyang pakialam 'no, okey, sa feelings mo, wala siya ritong pakialam 'no, kung ano man yung gawin niya rito basta makuha niya lang yung gusto niya rito. So, no matter what that is, okey, nakikita ko rito, okey, sarili niya lang yung gusto niyang makinabang dito 'no. At saka ang nakakaloka, ang sarap sampalin nito, eh, 'no. Parang may energy siya rito na, papayag siya ibig sabihin gusto niya rin yun, parang gano'n yung dating nito, eh, 'no. Bugbugin ko lang 'tong mga babes mo, gano'n. Bugbugin ko lang talaga 'to ng panalangin 'no, mga babes 'no, na magising siya rito 'no, sa kanya rito ang mga hindi magandang pinag-iisip sa inyo. So, nakikita natin dito with the Four of Swords energy, Nine of Swords right in here, Eight of Cups. Malinaw na malinaw, this person, after niya dito makuha yung gusto niya 'no, after na pagka kumagat kayo dun, okey, sa gusto niya, okey. Nakikita ko kasi this person will definitely try to seduce you. I'm seeing right here sexy moves, okey. At siya yung mag-i-initiate niyan kasi nga siya yung may gustong mapatunayan dito, okey. And with the Four of Swords energy, mananahimik siya ulit dito at hindi lang yun, i-de-deny ka pa niya ulit dito. Okay, para kayong bumalik dito sa zero 'no. In short, okay, may chance na maaaring maloko kayo ulit nitong tao na 'to, okay. So, don't fall for this person right here. This person is definitely the devilish player. So, the devil is about to come back. Nine of Swords energy, Eight of Cups now. So, the universe do not want you to be nandito ulit sa ganitong klase ng situation. That's why the universe is warning you in advance not to fall for this person's pain or bait. Yan. Okay? Ay go, 'di ba? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, na player, 'no? Okay? Alam mo, nakita ko dito mga babes na marami siyang ka-connect. Okay? Kaya kung may third party man sa inyo, siguro hindi mabilang yung third party nito. Madami 'no? Yung iba nakita ko rito may 3, iba naman 2, ayan 'no. So, parang may energy siya rito na parang wala siyang planong magseryoso, okey. Pero yung iba 'no, sila nandun na sila sa age na matanda na sila, eh, 'no, or may edad na sila pero ganun pa rin 'no, devilish player pa din 'no. Wala tayong age dito, binanggit ko lang yun kasi nakita ko din, okey. Pero kahit ano pang age niyang mokong na 'yan 'no, this person right here, yun lang yung gusto niya rito 'no, eh, yung merong mangyari sa inyo right in here 'no, and then, okey, may plano siya diyan kung ilang beses niyang gustong mangyari yun 'no, ta's sa kanya kayo rito iiwan or whatsoever 'no, pero hindi mo yun mahahagilap. 'Pag chinat mo yan, 'pag tinext mo yan, hindi yan magre-reply. Gano'n yung nakikita ko dito. This person will go silent with you, eh, mawawala na naman siya ritong parang bula, okey? You do not deserve this, okay? For the initials, yes, we do have, andito ang letter M, andito rin ang letter H, we also have the letter J, andito rin ang letter R. For some reason, nakikita ko yung letter R na parang nagdo-double. So, maaring merong mga double R's or may mga R ang kanyang name o names ninyo, mga sweetheart. You also have here the letter S. Of course, nandito rin ang letter F. Mawawala ba naman ang letter P? And last but not the least, we have the letter So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much para sa oras mo. Again, I'm Yuriana Oni. Sarang Heya, Love and Light.